There's a fire that the darkness can't invade. They try to break a voice so bold, but the truth can never be controlled. कायद किया पर ख्वाब न छीना, आवाम की है वो आखिरी उम्मीद का चराग।
He stood when others ran away, की बात बेखौफ के hero. He rose above the games they play.
दिलों का वो रहनुमा किसी का नहीं खरीदा गया। He's the last hope through the storm and flame. Our voices rise as they chant his name. Imran Khan, Imran Khan. From every border, let it be known. Release the light, bring the leader home. They fear the man who speaks for peace, whose dream is for the chains to cease. Not just a name, he's every cry of youth, of mothers asking why. माँ की दुआ, शहीद की पुकार, हर पाकिस्तानी की दिल की ललकार।
Stand with truth, don't look away. ज़ुल्म के खिलाफ आज भी हम खड़े हैं. The world must hear what we must say.
Let justice find its way. He's the last hope through fire and chain. Our love for him they can't contain. वतन का बैरटा, हुकूमत की शान. From every land, from every shore, we say, lock him up no more. This is not just about a man, it's about a nation that still believes. उम्मीद जिंदा है, ख्वाब जिंदा है.
He's the last hope, the people's flame. In every heart they chant his name.
उमरान खान, वापस लौट. Let justice rise, let darkness fall. It's time to break the prison wall. ये वक्त है फैसला करने का. क्या हम उम्मीद का